Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have Melissa next door to me. We are going to just go have a good chat with her. We've gone over her initial consultation, but we're just going to cover over things that we've spoken already about. So let's go have a look and let's see what she's up to. Hey Melissa, how are you?
Hey, yes, I'm good. Thanks.
Yeah, very good, thank you. So we've just gone over your initial consultation. What did we touch base on?
Basically, I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
I just have a little bit of low back pain, but
Okay.
just coming back just to get adjustments, to get realigned and just feel a little bit healthier myself.
Amazing, yeah. So we're just going to get you checked, see what's going on. If I can ask you to take your jumper off for me, please. And what we're going to do is when you're ready, can I get you on your front for me, please, lovely? Nice and easy. Let's check this out. Cool, arms down. Good. So Melissa sits for long periods of time, so it's really, really important. We always check that mid-back, see if we can restore range of motion within that mid-back. Super, super important. And then secondly, what you want to do is just go over our body and just check where we're at. So feet are lovely and level. Actually moving really nicely there, which I'm super. You do a lot of yoga?
I do.
Yeah, very cool. And you love your chiropractic adjustments, haven't you?
Oh my gosh, you're my favourite.
Yeah, stop it. Yeah. Okay, so left hand side, do you feel that there? Yeah, and then right hand side. It's moving a lot better, but you'll find probably just at the bottom there. So. Okay, so that's really tight. Nicely different. And we're just going to do a burst adjustment. Good job. Well done. That hasn't moved in a long time. Really good.
Even when he just bends my knees, it feels good.
Can I get you on your right hand side for me, please?
Oh, I'm feeling.
Yeah, it's okay. That's how good the adjustments are. When you get a good drill on. There we go. And this, what you're going to do is through. Just try.
Oh my god.
On your back for me, please. They're the ones to that. On your back for me, please. Beautiful, lovely adjustment. When you're ready, you can get up and you can have an amazing day. Ready, so much. Thank you. Pleasure.
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Dean here. Welcome to my channel. As I've just said, I'm Dr. Dean. I'm also known as the Celebrity Chiropractor. If you are not on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you like what you see, throughout my chiropractic journey, how I get people better. Please like and subscribe to see more here.